Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Kippers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2021 MG3 SZ P1 Excite hatch, stock reference number 4543. This shape runs from the 7th month 2016 and is the current shape. It's got a 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand front. We have the right-hand headlight. Left power door mirror. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left front door has a small little chip on the edge. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. It's got a tidy rear park sensor type bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Right hand guard has a slight fold on the top edge. And a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather and cloth interior. Center console, automatic type, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster. Vehicle's only done 121 kilometers, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.